Morning, children. So, in a previous class, I have taught about pronouns and some of the exercises we have done. And today, I am going to deal with exercise number C, page number 28. What are we going to page number 28 about pronouns. So, as we know that what are the pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, they, we, all these are pronouns. So today I will take exercise D number or C number I will take. Exercise C. So we have to here complete these sentences. Complete these sentences with pronoun. Okay, so we have to complete. Okay, now I am just going to read the text or the paragraph. It is a paragraph. So all of you see this particular exercise, page number 28, exercise C. Mummy, my friends have organized a party for dash. So it is a conversation of Sanju. Particularly this is a boy whose conversation we have to complete here. Okay, so says, Mummy, my friends have organized a party for me. See, I am writing only the what has to be written in the fill in the blanks. So I am giving one number. It will be for me. Next, as Dash did well in my basketball match. As I did well in my basketball match. Next line. Dice is such a great idea. Dice is such a great idea. So it will be it is such a great idea. Number 4. Dice have been friends for so long and there is no jealousy among dash. 2 fill in the blanks. See here first one, we have been friends for so long and there is no jealousy among us. Next one. Dice always support each other. So dice always support each other. We always support each other. We always support each other. So we have to complete with proper pronouns. Okay. Next. Now I will go to next. So children, you have to complete with these appropriate pronouns. Now, next one I am coming, learning. What are the possessive pronouns? So, now we are going to learn about possessive pronoun. So we are going to learn about possessive pronouns. Okay. So, when we speak of possessive pronoun, we speak of some type of possession or belongingness when we use the words. For example, what are the possessive pronouns? Now, so they are example. They are mine, yours, his, hers, its, our, ours, theirs, etc. So these are all called possessive pronouns. So children, we have to complete the exercise number D with this appropriate possessive pronouns. Okay. So now I am straight going to the exercise number D, and before that, see, when there is a possessive pronoun, and after that possessive pronoun there should not be any noun, and if we give that sentence will be incorrect one. So I am giving one example here. Okay. For example here, this is your house. Example is there. This is your house. Mine house is at the end of the road. Okay. Now, next example, same. This is your house. Mine is at the end of the road. See, as I told you here, see, this noun should not be there, and therefore this particular sentence is not correct. It will be wrong. So here it will be wrong. See here, and after this possessive pronoun, there is no noun. See, mine is at the end of the road. So after there is no noun. So this sentence is correct. So this is the rule here. So you see, we cannot have a noun after any possessive pronoun. We cannot have any noun after possessive pronoun. Therefore, this sentence is correct. This one is wrong. Okay. Now, exercise D number I am coming. Children, please, all of you look, exercise D number. See, it is a conversation between a teacher. It is a teacher and a boy called Sid. See, two options are there. Complete. It is a conversation. Complete this conversation. Okay, teacher and boy is there, Sid. So teacher says, whose book is this? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? Sid says, ma'am, it is. For example, ma'am, it is. Then here it is there, his or her. So ma'am, it is his. So it will be his here. This is correct. Similarly, we have to go this side. Now I am not writing every sentence. Only I will write what is in the bracket. Says teacher says, again teacher. Are you sure this is dash his theirs? So say, are you sure this book is dash? So in the fill in the blanks you have to write this is his. So this is correct. Next one, Sid says, yes ma'am, this book is dash and that book is dash. So it is two options are there. Here is this is correct and one more option is there here theirs. This one is correct. Here his and theirs. This one is correct. Then one more is there. Her and him. So that book is hers. This one is correct. Okay. So children, like this you have to complete in the book. Now one more is there, little bit. Teacher said again, teacher. All right, where is your book? Sarthak. Then other one is Sarthak is there. Sarthak or Sarthak. Your teacher. Here Sarthak. Sarthak says, ma'am, the book is on the table. The book on the table is dash. The book on the table is dash. Two options are there, mine and mine. So this is correct. This the book on the table is mine. So children, we'll continue. So right now, thank you.